Hi beauties, it's Jean with Beauty and the Stamper, and I am an independent Stampin' Up! Demonstrator. And today I'm going to show you a quick and easy card using the Thanks a Bunch. It is free during celebration, so when you spend $50 or more, you get to choose a free item. So I thought I would use these carrots, and then this thanks, and then on the inside I would do a bunch. So let's go ahead and get started. First, we're going to take our basic white, and I have this cut at 4 by 5 1/4. And then as my base, I'm going to use a garden green. So we're going to take our carrots from the Thanks a Bunch. They're little baby carrots. They're so cute. And I got a few different colors. I also have a little piece of scratch paper here. And I've got some pumpkin pie. And I'm going to stamp off just a little bit here. And go just like that. Then I'm going to grab another color. And this one's going to be a crushed curry. I'm just going to clean this off real quick. And we're going to get some of that crushed curry in there. And I'm going to stamp that off as well. I'm just going to put that one right on there. And then I'm going to get out some Mango Melody. Woo! And that one was lighter, so I don't have a problem with just taking care of that like that. And then I'm going to, let's see, just put it like that. All right, so we've got our little carrots done. And now we've got some dimension to those carrots. So let's go ahead and I'm going to come back with some pumpkin pie. And we are going to go right over the tips of those carrots. Just like that. And since I stamped that off, I'm going to go with the lighter color here. Just like that. And then I'm going to redo and go with a dark full impression here. Just like that. So I accidentally hit that, but that's okay. I actually have my artistic decorative masks. So I'm going to use those anyways. Next thing I want to do is I want to get out my garden green. And we're going to give some little tips here. So we've got our little carrots there. All right, we are going to go back to that decorative mask again. I'm going to use this guy here one more time, just because I don't like to get everything real dirty. I'm going to put this right here. And so once I get that all lined up the way that I want it, because I do want it somewhat straight, there we go. I'm going to take some washi tape and stick that on there. And that's going to hold it in place. All right, so now I've got this held in place. I'm going to get out my little blender brush, and we are going to go with a very, I'm looking to see if I want to go Mango Melody or Crushed Curry. I think we're going to go with the Mango Melody. So I'm just going to go in here and starting off the page, kind of just go around these carrots here. And I'm going to get a little bit of a circle on my page, but that's okay. All right, now I'm going to take the Mango Melody and I'm going to move it into the pumpkin pie. We're going to get it darker in the corners here. And we're blending that down into that Mango Melody. All right, and then I'm going to go a little bit lighter right here. And just kind of around those carrots. And then, let's go ahead and reveal that. And look at how beautiful that looks. And you can't tell that I messed up right there. It is just adorable. All right, let's go ahead and add our greetings and everything. You'll just wash that off. I'm going to use the Garden Green. And inside, I'm going to have that a bunch. So let's go ahead and get our thanks. Just going to grab a piece of scrap paper there. And we'll go ahead with our garden green. We're going to go with our thanks. Very nice there. And then on the inside, we're going to go with a bunch. So I just need to switch this out. I'm going to take off I cleaned it up real quick. I'm going to take off my thanks. And we're going to get out the one that says a bunch. We'll go ahead and put that right there. Now there are little baby carrots as well if you wanted to have like a little carrot on the inside. We've got that cute little carrot there, or 3 little carrots, just like that. All right. Get this started here. I'm just going to use my multi-purpose liquid glue. This gives me just a minute to move it around. We've got the inside done. We've got this one here. Oh, look how pretty that looks. Isn't that so cute? All right, now we're going to take a piece of garden green. I don't have a scrap because it's a brand new pack. And I am getting out my punch here. We've got our double oval punch. I'm going to cut this out. And then I'm going to take a piece of this oval. Get that on here as well. All right. Ah! Okie dokie. So we're going to take this guy and we're going to put him on our green. So we're going to layer that up. And again, using that multi-purpose glue, that gives me time to get that really lined up perfectly there. And there we go. Now I'm going to get some dimensionals. We'll put a couple on there. I'm going to grab my take your pick tool. Okie dokie. So there's so many more things you could do with this. Now you can put it right in the middle, down here on the side, wherever you are wanting to put that. So I think I'm going to put it probably right about here. Would be good for me. I already put that. Yeah, I'm just going to check real quick. Yeah. And look at how cute this card is. So it says, thanks a bunch. Oh, I love it so much. If you like this, please give me a big thumbs up. Don't be afraid to mix colors on your masks and just, you're going to shade that out. You can't even tell. It looks gorgeous. All right, let me know what you think, and I will talk to you later. Bye.
Today's the first